friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain about problems on applications of law of conservation of momentum and the law of conservation of momentum. And if you see first question, a body is placed at a top of tower of height 20 which is 20 meters. Find the distance between two bodies. Here they give like this, and this is the problem from explosion. See here, this is 20 meters height and the bodies are halfly cutted. After explosion, halfly cutted, and this is going with 10 meter per second and this is also going with 10 meter per second. And if you see the horizontal projectile video, so we have to apply those formulas. If you see, for finding this range, that range, first we have to know the time. Okay, so time means here this is the final velocity because initially this is at rest. Okay, so force range is equals to U into root over 2h by g. Okay, so this is the formula for range, and I am taking downwards negative, upwards positive, and the gravity is 10. For simply doing, gravity is 10. So here the initial velocity is 10 meter per second. 10 into 2 into 20 by 10. Here 20 means height of the tower. Okay, so 0 0 gets cancelled, and 10 into root 4. 10 into 2, which means 20 meters. The distance between this and this is 20 meters. Okay, so here also we can guess the answer. This is 10 meters, 10 meter per second, and this is also same mass means same distance. Okay, and the total distance between this point and this point is 40 meters. 20 plus 20, 40. And the total range is 40 meters. Okay, so this is the first problem.